Using your gut feeling for decision making. Why would you use your gut feeling for decision making? Well, it's all your subconscious knowledge, experience, data that speaks out for you in a bodily sensation. So whether you want to listen to it or not, that's up to you. I personally listen to it and it guides me well. When something comes up, here's how I do it. Either it will be a full body yes, where it's like, heck yes, I'm gonna jump on and do this. Or it will be a, I don't know, it could be a good idea, but there's just something that's quite off. And when that happens also, I will have my mind reasoning that I should go for this, but there's something in my gut that's just going, not a good idea. It's worth learning and seeing how you feel with different situations. So start small for that. But when something truly lifts you up, you're like, hell yes, I want to do this. Come on, take me on. So I follow that, sort of the yes side of it. Let me know if you use it or not. I'd be curious to know.